Hi everyone, we're back at John's house today completing another offsite project. This is a 2018 BMW M240 and we will be applying a partial hood fender mirrors 3M Pro Series paint protection film install. And once John has finished that, then he will apply a Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra 9-year ceramic coating. Okay, John's just setting up the vehicle for the wash prep and he's applying some rim cleaner. And once the rim cleaner has reacted with the brake dust, it'll turn purple and good to go to rinse off. Okay, John's polishing out any imperfections in the paint prior to installing the paint protection film, which will offer some excellent stone chip prevention for this vehicle. John's tacked the film to the paint and is now finishing the partial hood portion of the installation. This is a wrapped install, meaning the film will be wrapped to the underside to offer a more secure fit for the film to the vehicle paint. It also covers the leading edge of the paint, which enhances the overall coverage for the film. In order for the film to wrap properly to the underside, the film needs to be dry from the slip solution. We're using a blow dryer to make this happen. Alternatively, a heat gun could be used, or just wait a while for it to dry naturally. Alright, John's finished the film install and is moving on to the coating portion. John's going to polish the paint to make it smooth and remove any imperfections prior to the ceramic coating. This is required as once the coating is applied, it is very, very difficult to remove and requires wet sanding. It's that tough. As seen with our previous ceramic coating videos, John is once again using the cutting method and going panel by panel with the Gtechniq ceramic coating. This will help ensure even distribution and limit the potential of high spots forming. Alrighty, the vehicle is all finished and we're completing the walk around. The vehicle has the 9-year ceramic paint protection plus the front end stone chip prevention. It is all set for the open road.